So, just a few thoughts on the Mother's Day evening. Happy Mother's Day, anyone who is watching and might consider that it concerns you. But yes, finally I have finished scraping the bottom, and now I'm just chilling on the boat and trying to think what I should do next. So, here comes the part when I ask for comments, not because of YouTube sponsor or anything like that. It's because I need some advices. So, about this part, wait, I just position my finger from there to there. So, the fabric that I'm going to use is 1.4 meters wide. So, should I do it something like, just a moment. Damn, I broke my back today. But anyway, that it begins from here, moves up over here, and then goes to this place, and then comes right here. So, is that a good thing, or should I cut it somewhere like this and then make a panel and, well, screw it on? Because all the electrics, like the forward lights and so on, I'm going to put there, so that they go from there. The one of the bulkheads will come here, and the other one will be here. And I was thinking, when I do the electrics, I shall pull one 12-volt outlet out up here and put some lights on it, and one cigarette lighter that I can charge my mobile phone and make some stupid videos like this one. But hey, like I promised, weird shit and failures. But anyway, man, there is still this stuff hanging around. Hawk smash. But anyway, what should I do with the interior fabric, and what kind of glue would be nice? Is normal rubber glue or 3M Maxi? I think it's also Maxi 77 or something like that. The glue, spray glue, you know, the stuff that sticks everything to anything. And so, but anyway, when I come from bow and go to the aft, I am thinking about cutting the fabric right around that edge over there and leave those, because this one is going to be a closet for hangers and so on, so nobody looks. And I'm lazy. But anyway, I'm going to leave that one out, the white part without fabric. Same here. Here we have another bulkhead over there, and it will have some shelves to hold my beer, hold my basic rations and safety gear, not beer. But anyway, how should I proceed? Well, first at all, I think I have to clear this place up, and then I'm going to use a sponge and clean just about anything with normal water, and then I'm going to suck the water out with vacuum pump and cast it aboard. Away, not aboard. Damn. I should speak English more often. This sucks. But anyway, then I'm going to make a new staircase over there. Navigation table over there. The electric panel will go over there on that hole. And over there Focus, you piece of... Well, anyway, over there will be another bunk and storage area for sales and so on. But, so, if you have any ideas, let me know. And thanks for watching. And finally, the scraping of the bottom is finished without the keel. But it's finished without the keel. Because if I scrape the keel now, it's a steel keel, it will rust immediately. And then I have to scrape it again. So, yeah. But anyway, hey. See you later, alligators. Or something like that. Bye bye.